Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to solve Coursevania expired coupon problem within a few minutes. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And don't try to skip any part of the video. Because if you skip the video, then you may not be able to solve the expired coupon problem. Now without wasting any time, let's start the video. Step number 1. Open your Google Play Store or App Store and download a VPN. I suggest you to download this VPN. You can also try other VPN as well. Then once the installation complete, open the VPN and select a location of Canada. You can choose any other country as well. But I suggest you to select Canada. Now open your browser. Select incognito mode and search for yopemail.com. You can also try temp mail as well. We only need a temporary email to create a Udemy account using Canada IP address. Now create a temporary email using Yopemail. Do it as it is shown in the video. Once you create an email, simply copy it and paste here while creating a new Udemy account. Now create a password for your account. Once the account creation is completed, log into your Udemy account. You can also disconnect the VPN as well, because you don't need a VPN once the account creation is complete. Now log into your Udemy account. Open Coursevania.com in your browser. Now select a course that you want to enroll. For example, I am selecting this course. As you can see, you can enroll for this course without any restriction. Now let's try some other courses. If you see any Buy Now button on your checkout page, then refresh the page for 2 to 4 times. If it still shows Buy Now, then that course may be expired. Then you have to find any other course for yourself. That is all about how to get Udemy's paid course for free. I hope this tutorial video will help you to get your desired Udemy course for free. Now if you are not getting enroll button on Udemy page, then you have to follow these steps. Step number 1. Clear all cache and cookies of Udemy website by clicking unlock icon which is on the left side of URL. Step number 2. Reload the page 3 to 4 times. Step number 3. Restart the browser. Do these steps and you will not face any issue from now. This is tried and tested by me and works 100%. You just have to follow both methods step by step. You will not face any issue while enrolling. If you liked this video, then make sure to share it with your friends to help them. Also make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. In which topic you want our next video, please tell us in the comments section. Thanks for watching this video.